Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add and delete pages on your Wix website. Whether you're just starting out with Wix or you're looking to update your site structure, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to create new sections for your site, like an About page, and keep everything organized by removing any unwanted pages. It's super straightforward, but I'll take you step by step so you can feel confident making changes to your site's navigation. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor for the site you want to update. If you're not sure where that is, just log into your Wix account, pick your website from the dashboard and hit Edit Site. This will open up the main workspace where you do all your site building and customization. Now let's talk about adding a new page. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the Pages panel. This is usually found on the left side of your screen. It might be labeled as Site Pages or sometimes just Pages, depending on the version you're using. Give it a click and you'll see a list of all the current pages on your website. To add a new page, you have a couple of options. You can either click Add New Page at the bottom of that list, or you might notice a little plus button. Sometimes it's floating at the top of the Pages panel. Just click either of those and a brand new page will pop up in your list. Wix will usually add a default name like New Page, but don't worry, you can customize this in a moment. Naming your page is important. For example, if you want to create an About page that tells your story or gives your visitors more information about your brand, click on the new page's name to select it. You'll see the option to rename it. Type in About or whatever makes sense for your site, like Contact, Services, or something unique. Clear, descriptive names help visitors find what they're looking for and also help with search engines knowing what your page is about. Now let's talk about deleting a page. Maybe you've got a test page hanging around, or perhaps you no longer need that old promo section. Deleting is just as easy, but I want to make sure you're careful here. Once a page is deleted, it's gone from your live site. To proceed, just look to the right of the page name in your list. There should be three little dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Click on those and you'll see the Delete option pop up. Go ahead and select it. Wix will often ask you to confirm just to make sure you didn't click by accident. If you're certain, hit Confirm and that page will be removed from your site. And that's really all there is to it. Adding and removing pages in Wix is meant to be simple, so you can keep your site fresh and relevant as your needs change. If you're worried about making a mistake, remember, you can always undo recent changes, and it's a good idea to publish your site only once you're sure everything looks right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, or if there's something else you'd love to learn about managing your Wix site, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides like this one. See you in the next video.